So I'm Keith Williams from the Hendy. It's an upland farm. We range from 850 feet to 1150 feet above sea level, running beef and sheep. We're looking to be low-cost producers. That's the only way I can see to make any money out of it. So for our feeding system, we've trialed last year. We've gone on to TMR, Total Mixed Ration. And the basics of that is we need to, number one, make top quality silage, ideally above 10.5 ME, nearer to 11 if we can. And then we can feed soprolin, which is a soya product, and that provides our protein levels. It reduces our labour requirement. We only have to feed the ewes once a day. The actual feeding is so much easier. You just pour the soprolin in the mixer and then feed the ewes. The ewes seem a lot more content. We're having less prolapses and just healthier, more content sheep.